Hello and welcome to HW News English. I am Shubham Chauhan. We are coming to you live with this breaking update from the state of West Bengal. The accused in the horrific RG Kaur rape case has been found guilty by a local court in Kolkata. That is the update that we are getting right now. That a Sealdah court in Kolkata has found Sanjeev Roy. He is the man accused of raping a young trainee doctor last year, rather 2024, at the RG Kaur Hospital, at the government-run RG Kaur Hospital in Kolkata. She was raped and murdered, and in that case, Sanjeev Roy, the main accused, has been found guilty by Justice Anirban Das of the Sealdah Court of Kolkata. He has been charged with rape and murder. The relevant sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita have been slapped on Sanjeev Roy. Now what we are also getting given to understand that the quantum of the punishment of the accused will be public on Monday, which is about 48 hours from now. The court, however, has pronounced that Sanjay Roy. I beg your pardon. Sanjay Roy is the name of the accused. He has been found guilty of raping the young trainee doctor at Arjikor Hospital last year. In fact, I'll just read out whatever developments are coming in from the court. That the accused, that is Roy, he had claimed innocence in front of the judge. He said that he wasn't involved in the case, and as for the court, they relied on forensic reports that proved his involvement in the case. In fact, the accused, that is Sanjay Roy, who's the accused in the case of RJ Kaur, he initially had confessed to the crime. Even the CBI, which is probing the case, had found him guilty as well. Now he's telling the court that he has been framed. Justice Anirban Das said, "Nothing doing. You are found guilty, and the quantum of punishment will be made public on will be made public on Monday." Justice Anirban Das said that the maximum punishment that can be awarded would be capital punishment, and the minimum would be life imprisonment. So, 48 hours wait to understand what is the quantum of punishment that Sanjay Roy, who's accused, the main accused in this case, get. Remember the horrific rape and murder of a young trainee doctor in the government-run Arjikor College and Hospital in Kolkata has triggered nationwide protests. In the month of August last year, this case had come to light, and since then, not just in Kolkata, but cities around the current country, there you can see visuals of those. These are images of the protests that took place in the aftermath of the with the chief minister. Yes, there were a round of negotiations that took place with the chief minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, where the doctors and the government really came to a head at that point. The doctors' demand was very simple and straightforward, that we need to have safer workplaces for women. That was the clarion call, so to speak, when it came to that protest. And the case itself, the chilling details that emerged from that case and what happened on that fateful night when the doctor reportedly, when she had just come back from duty, she wanted to take a rest after a long day at work, and the place that she tried to take a rest was in the premises itself, a dingy, dark room, and that's when this man Sanjay Roy, who was a civic volunteer with the Kolkata police at that time, he managed to sneak in and raped and then murdered this woman. The body was found the next morning of the woman, of this young trainee doctor whose life was snuffed out by Sanjay Roy. Now, the principal of the Arjikor Medical Hospital, Sandeep Ghosh, he was also named as the prime accused by the CBI in its charge sheet. He was, in fact, just last month, that is December 2024, he was released on bail. And Ghosh was, of course, he's been alleged with attempts to destroying the evidence of the case. And he's also under the scanner of the Enforcement Directorate, the ED, the Central Probe Agency, for alleged financial irregularities in his tenure, and that is based on a case that was registered by the CBI. But largely, this is what we have from for you at this moment. That the accused Sanjay Roy has been found guilty. Sanjay Roy, as the main accused in the case, has been found guilty. Some reports also suggest that the father of the victim broke down in court. It was packed with media persons, reporters, and of course lawyers as well in this court. Amid a very tight security, this judgment was pronounced, even as the accused Sanjay Roy pleaded that he wasn't guilty. The father of the victim, who's been waiting for closure on this case for months now, he reportedly broke down in court, saying that there's some sort of trust that has come back in. Earlier this morning, he in turn gave a bite to news agency ANI, where he said that our lawyer and CBI have told us not to go to the court. I have no idea about the recent court proceedings. CBI never called me anywhere. They came to our residence once or twice, but whenever we asked them about the investigation, they always said it was underway. There is someone involved in this. In the DNA report, it can be seen that 4 men and 2 women were present. We want all people involved in this case to be punished. That was what the father of the young victim had to say this morning, just hours before the court pronounced its verdict in this case. But yes, that is the latest we have for you at this moment. A local court in Kolkata, has found Sanjay Roy guilty of raping and murdering a young trainee doctor at the RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital in the city of Kolkata. The quantum of the punishment, which Justice Anirban Das said that the maximum punishment can be capital punishment and the minimum would be life imprisonment. Now, the exact quantum in this case is something that we will see on Monday once the court assembles and the judge then pronounces the order. That's all we have. Of course, I've just given you a brief background. We'll carry more detailed reports on this incident in the coming days to sort of keep you posted with all the latest developments coming in from this case. The protest is something that we've already touched upon. The matter then went to the courts. The Supreme Court, given the massive public outrage, the Supreme Court had taken suo motu cognizance of this case, and several hearings also took place, which you must have also seen on our channel, that took place in the Calcutta High Court with regards to the RG Kaur case, where the court had some really tough questions to ask the authorities and the Kolkata police, which was really the first agency that was handling the case, on the role of the Kolkata police, on the accused, on the safety and security that is being provided, that was provided, and that is being provided to doctors and the staff really at RG Kaur and other hospitals as well. What are the steps being taken by the authorities to ensure that there are safer workplaces for women is something that the court had emphasized on. But this one is from the trial court, the verdict that has come in, that accused Sanjay Roy has been found guilty in the RG Kaur case. That's all we have for this live session. Do stay tuned to HLB News English as we bring to you a more detailed report on all that has transpired in court and what the quantum of punishment of Sanjay Roy has been, will be, which we will come to know in the next couple of days. But a major breakthrough, as far as this case is concerned, took place about 6 odd months ago, and that this development today itself is something that is noteworthy, given the severe and the horrific nature of this crime that took place in West Bengal. That's all we have for this live session. Thank you so much for joining in. This is Shubham Chauhan for HLB News English.